Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a gripping chapter of Zimbabwean politics that reads almost like a political thriller. Yes, we're talking about the recent turbulence in Zimbabwe's National Assembly, centering on Jacob Mdenda, the Speaker of the National Assembly. So, who is Jacob Mdenda? Well, he's been a key figure in Zimbabwean politics, holding the position of Speaker, which basically means he was in charge of all the debates and decisions within the Assembly. But here's where things get spicy. Recently, Mdenda was reassigned to become the party's Treasurer General, a move that shook the political landscape. Why is this reassignment significant, you might ask? Mdenda was replaced by Chinamasa as the Secretary for Legal Affairs. This change is not just a simple shuffle of positions. It represents a deeper shift in the power dynamics within the ruling party, ZANU-PF. It seems like a strategic play, possibly indicating shifts in loyalty and influence within the party. But let's take a step back. The backdrop to this drama includes accusations and legal battles involving Mdenda. The main opposition party, the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, has been in a fierce tussle with Mdenda. They accused him of being biased and not adhering to legal proceedings, particularly concerning the recalls of several of their MPs. These recalls are crucial because they potentially weaken the opposition's power in the government, tipping the scales in favour of the ruling party. The CCC claimed that these recalls were unjust and even illegal, pointing fingers directly at Mdenda for allowing them. They argued that Mdenda's actions disregarded a High Court order that halted any further recalls. This legal defiance by Mdenda, according to the opposition, was a clear manipulation of the political and legal systems to benefit the ruling party. Amidst all this chaos, what does Mdenda's reassignment mean for Zimbabwean politics? It could be seen as a sidelining of a once powerful figure, possibly due to internal party pressures or as a way to calm the political storm. Alternatively, it might be a strategic repositioning, moving Mdenda where he can be more effective or less controversial. For political enthusiasts, this scenario is a classic example of the complexities and intrigues of political maneuvers. It highlights how positions of power can be both a weapon and a burden, and how political tides can change with the whims of party dynamics. The implications of these moves are yet to fully unfold. However, one thing is clear. In the arena of politics, especially in a landscape as volatile as Zimbabwe's, no position is secure, and today's kingmaker can be tomorrow's pawn. And as observers, we can only watch, analyse and speculate on the future repercussions these political manoeuvres will have on the governance and stability of Zimbabwe. Thanks for tuning in, and stay curious as we continue to unpack the complex world of global politics.